Hello. Today I am here to congratulate the newly elected school council members of School for the academic year of 2026 and 27. We have successfully completed the election process and counted the vote, and now we know who are the winners for the head boy and the head girl, sports captain and the house captains from all four houses, one representing the male students and one representing the female students in our school. Why this is important for a school to have the school council? First, you need to understand that fact. School council teaches the student how to behave properly in school, how to be disciplined, how to take care of the responsibilities, and how to complete their duties that are expected from them. Overall, this is a certain parameter for behaving properly in school. And why it is important to learn in school system? Because this is the time they grow and they inculcate the habits of independence in their mindset. And when children start learning how to take the responsibilities, they become a responsible citizen. So the first step for our is to guide them properly. And as the head of the institution of School, I am really proud that all children, when they nominated themselves, they actually came up with different kind of agendas that if they were elected, what would they offer to the school? And after the review and the verification, we only give the thumbs up for the nomination. So children from the very beginning were very much certain that what they will be adding in our school functioning system as a value-based learning. I wish all of you a very productive academic year ahead of 2026 and 27. Please stick to the promises that you said during your election campaign, that you want to make the positive changes in school functioning system. You wanted to make sure that all children are given the equal opportunity. You also wanted to make sure that all children should take part in sports actively. You also wanted to mention that English communication should be given the highest priority in school, the confidence building program. We are with you, with the teachers community and the parental community are with you to support you in every single step. So keep up your promises, do the job properly, and then we will see the difference during the academic year of 2026 and 27. My best wishes to all of you, the winners. Thank you.